Hello there, Matt Cox with Citizens here to show you how to set up and operate your Citizens Notify Plus. Citizens Notify Plus is a mass notification tool that can send voice, text, and email messages using both a computer or a mobile device. For mobile devices, you will need to download the Manage My Notify app from your App Store. Manage My Notify is available for Apple and Android devices. We'll go now to the screen. I have already downloaded the Manage My Notify app on my phone, and this is the first screen you will see. You will need to enter a service provider address. As you see, it is myphone.citizens.coop. You will also need to enter your username and password. If you do not know your username and password, please contact our office. So we will log in. If you would like to use your computer for Manage My Notify, simply click on your browser to open up the web page. Notify Plus works in Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and limited functionality in Internet Explorer and Safari. You will navigate to myphone.citizens.coop/notify. From here, you will enter your username and password. If you do not know your username and password, please contact our office. From this point, the operation and management of Notify Plus is similar whether you're using the computer or your mobile device. The main menu is accessed by clicking the menu button, which is 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From here, you have options for announcements, phone books, jobs, and account. Announcements is for managing audio files that are available for use in Notify Plus. Phone books is for organizing and storing contact information. Jobs is for managing your notification jobs. And account is for managing your account or changing your password. To use Notify Plus, the first thing you will need to do is to set up your phone books. To do this, you will select phone books from the main menu. To create a new phone book, press the blue plus button in the lower right corner. Select Add Phone Book. In the description field, give your phone book a name. Now you can insert contact information by pressing on the green Insert button. You can enter a phone or email address. For phone, simply enter the 10-digit phone number and a description for this particular contact. Press the OK button once you're done. To add an email address, simply select Email and enter the email address for your contact. Also enter a name or a description. Press the OK button once you're done. For text contacts, you will need to enter the information as an email address using the email to text bridge information for the cellular carrier of that phone number. So you would select an email contact and enter the 10-digit phone number of the cell phone, at, in this case, if it were a Verizon, you would use at vtext.com. Please note that you will need to know the carrier information for the contact's mobile device number so that you can find the proper email to text bridge information to send the text. A quick online search will help you find the email to text bridge information for most cellular carriers. Finish by entering a name or description for this contact. And hit the OK button. Once you have finished entering your contact information, you can press the Add button to create your phone book. Your phone book can be edited once you have created it to insert additional contacts, remove contacts by pressing the Remove button and then deleting the contact you wish to remove. Please note, any changes you make, you should press the Update button. You can also press the Delete button to completely remove a phone book if you no longer need that phone book. You can also edit contacts by clicking on the phone book, finding the contact you would like to edit, and simply make the changes. Press the OK button when you're done, and remember to hit the Update button before exiting. Next, we will look at jobs. To create a new job, select the blue plus button from the lower right corner and click Add Job. This will be your primary operation of Notify Plus. Give your job a description. It could be a date or a specific name based on the type of job you're sending. In this case, I will put in the date. Now select the phone book that you would like to use. As you see, multiple phone books can be available depending on who you need to contact with this particular message. Next is select Announcement. You could select announcements that have already been recorded, or you can record a brand new one, or you can upload a file that has already been saved on your computer. To record a new message, simply select the Record button. You may need to click the Allow button for use of your microphone. Start your recording. Say the message that you would like to record, and when you're finished recording your message, press the Stop button. Now an additional button appears to play back your message. If you're okay with the message that you have recorded, simply move on. If not, you can press the Record button again and record your message over. To upload a file recording, you would simply press the Upload button and browse to the storage location on your computer for the file, click the Open button, and upload the file. Next, you will enter a subject for emails. And then you will enter the text information. The text information will be used for both emails and text messages. Keep in mind that some text users cannot receive messages that exceed 150 characters. So there is a counter in the lower right corner of the text box that will help you track how many characters you have entered in your message. If you're only sending emails, you can disregard the counter in the lower corner. Next, you will select the date and time for your message to be delivered. If you would like for your message to go out immediately, you don't need to make any changes in this area. Otherwise, you can change the date and time for your start of your message by modifying these parameters. When you're finished, click the OK button to start your job. From the job screen, you can see any jobs that you have scheduled, and you can refresh the screen by clicking on your mouse or holding on the screen of your mobile device and dragging down to refresh the screen. As your job completes, the status bar will fill in, and when it is complete, the message will change to complete. You may also click on the job and see additional details of the status of your job. You can also delete the job by clicking on it and pressing the delete button. Announcements. You can pre-record announcements and store them in the announcements files to be used later for a notification job. This could be used if you are a business and you need to send out a standard message on a periodic basis. From this screen, you can also delete, download the message, or simply play it back. From the account screen, you can sign out of Notify Plus, or you can change your password. That completes the basic operations of Citizens Notify Plus. As always, we are here to assist you with using your citizen services. If you have any questions regarding the use of Notify Plus, please contact us at our business office or call us at 540-745-2111, or if you're in the Fort Chiswell Max Meadows area, you can call us at 276-637-6485. And as always, you can gain more information about Citizens in general by visiting us online at www.citizens.coop. Thank you.